Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can make blends with your friends. This is a new feature of Spotify when you and your friend can make playlist together. So what you need to do, first you have to search here blend, that's how I found it. Then you can click this create a blend. Here if you go there, here you can see invite a friend link. And if you click invite, this will pop up and you can share this on email. Then this will be the text your friend will see and he can join you in Spotify. So let's see how this blend looks like. Here you can see Zoe and Plus Andrew playlist. Here music that me and my friend added to our blend. Here we can see which music is added by me, by pictures, and which music is added by her. So that was all for today's video guys. I hope I helped. See you in the next one. Goodbye.